What's up, you guys? Thanks for tuning into today's video. Today we're going to be going over how to remove this reflector here in the bumper, and we'll actually be replacing it with a paint match piece from our buddies over at Mod Bargains. Pretty sweet that they sell these paint matched. They're OEM BMW pieces. Very nice, pretty cool. So I'm going to be showing you how to do this in an F10 chassis. This is an M Sport 535D, not an M5. I don't know if there's a difference with the M5, but this is what we're working on. Yesterday I did my wife's F15 over here. Not as much fun. She has these flares you have to remove and a couple panels up underneath. I just did the driver's side of this, and it took literally not even 10 minutes. So super easy, minimal tools. I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's go. All right, so first off, we're going to go over tools. Obviously, you need whatever it's going to take to pull your wheel off. Jack and breaker bar, impact gun, whatever. 17 mil for the lugs. So we got our impact 17 mil. Once you get that off, you're going to need an 8 mil socket. There's going to be a lot of wheel well bolts in there. I do pull the wheel well liner out. You don't have to, but it just makes it a little easier. So 17, 8 mil, maybe a light, and then some glass cleaner just to kind of clean the area that the new piece is going to be sticking to, and a rag. That's really it. So let's get into it. Alright, you guys, so looking inside the wheel well here, we need to get this liner out. So you have a bunch of 8s kind of tucked everywhere. Let's see, one in there. There's a couple up here, a couple back there. So we're gonna go ahead and run those out and pull the wheel well liner out. Alright, now that that is out, you get to see the bare bones. And tucked right in here is the reflector. Like, there's nothing, it's just taped in there. You just kind of, see if I can do this one-handed. Just give it some good pressure. Whoop, there we go. So it's just double-sided sticky taped in there, and that's all it takes. So the new one you get, this is the new one we'll be putting in there. They did tape off the edges, and you'll pull this edge off, and there's tape underneath there. You literally just stick it to the back and reinstall everything. Super easy, relatively cheap too. That's why I decided to do mine and my wife's F15 here. But again, not as easy on that, a lot more stuff to take out, but very much doable. So I'm gonna get these stuck in, get the liner back in, and show you what it looks like. So there we have it. Got the reflectors on, or I guess not reflectors, reflector delete, I guess. Barely even see that one. But yeah, pretty simple, right guys? So if you guys found that helpful, help me out a little bit, hit that subscribe button. I'm not going to tell you to smash it, that's a little aggressive for me, but you know, if you like the video, you want to see more of the video, you want to see more of the car, check out the BMW playlist that we have. We have more videos of this car. have a few of this car, maintenance. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. We'll see you on the next one.